Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how to draw some new shapes. So let's start. So our first shape is upwards arrow. This is upwards arrow shape. The next one is pentagon shape. What shape is this? This is pentagon shape. Next shape is downwards arrow. Downwards arrow. Okay. This is left arrow. This is leftward arrow. This is right and left arrow. The name of this shape is right and left arrow. The next one is the next one is right arrow. Right arrow.